to Garbage Trucks Rule.
Now we got some trucks here. We're going to tell about these before we start.
Got some reviews.
We got a plow here, a bulldozer here, dump truck, backhoe, steamroller, and an older truck.
Don't forget about that.
We got the giant M&M delivery device. Let's have some M&Ms.
Wow, that was amazing. Oh my god. I was only expecting a few to come out. Looks like a whole load.
Wow, apparently we bought more than we can handle.
Yeah, I bought a king size milk chocolate. Because why not? It was in the 75-cent style.
Okay, so let's taste these.
Alright. Take a rat.
Nice
I
hard
accidentally
shell.
ate the whole thing. I gotta show you what the inside looks like.
So good, I ate the whole thing too.
All chocolatey. Come on, camera focus. All chocolatey. And even though they're all different colors, they all taste the same. They're all milk chocolate.
So these are all milk chocolate M&Ms with a nice shell to it, a little bit of a crunch. Now, let's eat them all. Wait, let's load the trucks first.
Yeah. You know those dirt ones in there?
We don't care.
Look, he's driving the truck. Now let's go dump him again. This one can't dump him.
Let's eat them.
I'll plow him. Thank you guys for watching this video.
If you like, subscribe.
See you in the
See
next
you guys.
video.